What is your problem? You've not shot it. What kind of reckless driving is this?
I am so sorry, my dear. But I believe Mr. Andy is your husband.
Yes, he's my beloved husband. Anything, no one goes to.
Okay. I don't think if you have any idea that your husband, your beloved husband, like you said, is having an affair with Princess Alba. Try and protect what you have. For he is your possession. You cannot allow him to be taken away.
Out! Stop! Hold it right there. Yes, you're a noise maker. Why are you making noise? Huh? Keep your advice to yourself, auntie. I don't need it.
Yes.
Don't tell me that you're big for nothing. As big as you are with your fine car, big car. You just sit around and monitor people's husbands. What joker? What do you mean what's going on? You're romancing my house and asking me what's going on. Eh?
Hey,
yeah, what's going on?
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.